So I'm at this big electronic building in front of Nagoya Station. And check them out. Flip phones, everybody. $20. Not sure, is it like $20 per month or what? To own a phone. I cannot read Japanese, obviously. Look, different colors. Kind of champagne, black. Not really too, but I like this kind of color. Gold. Not really pink. Kind of gray, bluey, white. There's numbers around here. I don't really understand anything. Probably cost $300, $380. I don't know, something like that. Oh boy, see that? I like these flip phones. I think you can take pictures with it. Look, you can take pictures, send message. I guess this is Google. Who knows? Nice. Okay, let me check more stuff. That's it for flip phones. Bye.